Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to look at how to save information in myReach. So as you know, the two core features of myReach are save and search. So you can save any type of digital data, whether it's a website, an article, a PDF, a contract, a note, anything at all. And then this allows you to search with the AI assistant to answer all your questions that you have about your information. So essentially there are three core ways where you can save information: through the create button in myReach, through an integration, and through the browser extension. So there are separate videos for each of these three ways of saving information that go into detail, a step-by-step guide and everything of how to do it. This video will just be a quick overview and understand better the options that you have to save information. So the first option is through the app itself. You've got the create button here. If you click on it, you're able to save information manually. So whether it's a note, a tag, a website, album, file, or create a new workspace, you can do that from here. So for instance, if you save a file, you can either upload a folder or an individual file. So let's upload an individual file. So once that is done, the file is here. You can see the AI status has been learned. So you can ask any questions, the AI assistant will be able to respond. So you can either do this here on the chat and it asks questions only about this file, not about your entire knowledge base, or you can do it from the assistant. If you go to the knowledge base, you can also search here, but you see that the file that you have uploaded is now here. Now the second way to save information is through integrations. So you've got a selection of tools here that you can integrate. You can also use Zapier, which connects with thousands of tools. And if the integration you want isn't here, you can always request it in our community forum. So we have an ongoing poll where you can vote for the integration you want to see next, and that helps us decide which integrations to prioritize in the development plan. So with whichever integration you want, for instance with Google Drive, you click on it and then you follow the steps. There's simple instructions on all. You can also click to access the handbook that has detailed explanations. Just follow the steps, and then once that is done, in your knowledge base, you will have a workspace here dedicated for the integration. So for instance, with Google Drive, you will have a Google Drive workspace with all the nodes, all the files and everything that you have imported with your integration. You can then move them around to different workspaces, connect them to multiple ones, or leave it as is. And the last way that you can save information is through the browser extension. So there's an extension for both Chrome and Firefox. Here I'm on Chrome. You can see the extension is here. So you can either click on it to save the website, all the website and all of its subpages, or you can use the commands. So in this case, it's Command M. You can also click on here to change the commands to fit your preferences. And just by clicking Command M, save, this website now appears in your workspace. See, the website is now here. So you can filter your search through TechCrunch and all the related articles will appear. They're all automatically connected. You can disable this or delete it to keep just the article if you prefer. So these are the three ways to save: through the create button, through the integrations, or through the browser extension. As I said before, there are other videos that go into detail into each one of these ways to save. So feel free to check them out if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video.